Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Anok from Anok Gaming, and it's kind of late, so I'm gonna try to keep it quieter. But we're playing Animal Crossing. Good evening, everyone. Right now on Spedland, it's 9:53 p.m. on Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Now for today's announcements. We have a new friend on our island. Let's give a big Spedland welcome to Ike. Congrats, Ike. I'm sure you'll enjoy the island life here. That's all for today. Have a fun day. I just want her to say, there's a meteor shower today. That's all I want. I don't care about anything else. Ooh, my pool looks even cooler at night. Cool. Flick just sent us our statue of a bug. Alright, what did Nook Incorporated send me? Cool. Shall we check our bug statue? Ooh. Oh yeah, that's right. I remember buying these. Okay. Okay, how big is our statue? Lisa. That is not very big. Cool. Okay. Where should I add the vending machine? Ooh, I don't have a snail yet. Come here, snail. What'd you say? Cool, you're teaching me how to laugh? Thank you. Cool. What are you doing right here, bud?
What are you doing?
What should I name my witch doctor?
I don't know. Where should I put these vending machines? Oh, cool. I can put them right here. What? You talking to me, Aiden?
Yeah, what should I name my witch doctor?
Witch doctor.
Witch doctor. Yeah, witch
Yeah,
doctor.
witch doctor.
Voodoo man? No.
No, but name him like WHICH.
H-I-C-H, I get it. No.
Yeah, witch doctor. Let's get a snack from our snack vending machine. Anyway, what was I doing? That's right. I was gonna see. Wait, why is Nooks and Crannies still open? It's like 10:30. No, it's 11.
Yeah, it's 10:56.
Turnip presses. Ooh, 77 bells of turnip? That's horrible. I don't like you guys right now.
I didn't mean to hit
I'll buy it.
trigger. On toe?
I'll buy it. Seems like you're interested in a simple panel. I don't know what it is, but I'll buy it. Then I already have a typewriter, so I don't need that. Let's see what kind of floors and stuff you got. Ooh, those are cool. Ooh, abstract wall? Ooh, you got a zebra pattern flooring? Oh, that's tiger stripes. Sorry.
Ew, I'm an ugly bastard.
Ooh, actually, wait. I can use that in the wall or on the floors for my gambling club. Cool.
I'm playing the challenge.
I just bought a ton of cool items. Oh, there's a tarantula right here. Oh no.
Can I see what happened?
You can watch me catch him. One of my islanders just watched me catch my tarantula and started clapping. It's pretty great. She's like, good job, you got the tarantula. What's up, bud? I want to sell. Buy my tarantula, it's like 8,000. When you catch a tarantula immediately after spending just about 10,000 bells, so you automatically get everything back.
Well, all but 2,000.
Well, yeah, all but 2,000, but other than that, cool. I can't wait till I get a basement, because then I can add a club, because I'm adding a gambling area. Got big plans for my house. Catch another snail. Oh! Oh crap, I couldn't catch it in time. I tried to turn around so I could catch it.
What happened?
I got bit by a tarantula. So
Yeah,
I
I
died. Never had this many tarantulas spawn on my island at one time.
Stupid. I want to do you, David. Can't
What?
I want to do you, David.
Do it daily?
Yeah, David.
My daily. I only have like just like 2 or 3 more fish. It doesn't matter. Oh come on, Blathers, you're scared of a snail? I can understand some bugs, but it's literally a snail. Man up, Blathers. Zay, please don't jump on my bed. Cool, I'm gonna go talk to the new guy. Ooh, that's a cool door. Dude, I had a lion move into my neighborhood. Maybe he's a bear, I can't tell. No, he's a bear. He looks so depressed. I'm pretty happy that it's raining, because when it rains, doesn't it automatically like water your plants, so you don't have to go around and water them? Pretty sure. Are snails worth money? I don't know if snails are worth money. Cool. Well, tomorrow I'll pick all these and then we'll make money. Ooh, a message in the bottle. Let's see what it says. For such a cute message, I didn't think it was going to be something made out of bone.
That would be fun.
Okay, I think I need to take the mini fridge out of my room. Then we could go put it over here and put it right by the couch. So if I go like this, take the bike out of here, grab that, those, grab my 2 generators, and go like... Pick this up. And put my... Where's my mini fridge? There it is. Put my mini fridge right here, and then... I have enough room for a couple people to sleep over at my house. Should probably put the bike and stuff outside. Okay, what are we going to do? Wish you could put turnips in your house storage.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty nice.
My upper area. Just for a while. Okay.
Well, that's loud.
Got slaughtered.
Put my outdoor generators out back. Cool. Why are bridges in this game so expensive? Is there anything else I can do right now? I don't think so. I might have to end the video and the stream because I got nothing else to do.
Can I play?
Here, we'll double check though. Oh, that's what I need to do. Need to put some books in my room. You know, this entire Animal Crossing series, I haven't had a normal bed. I've only slept on an egg bed and a cot. Yeah. Haven't had a single normal bed. Yeah, no, that doesn't really go with the aesthetic. What if I go abstract walls? Nope, that doesn't go with the aesthetic either. Is there anything else that I want to put in here? I don't think so. Still have my turtle waiting to give to you. I can't wait till you get Animal Crossing. Cause I just want to give you my freaking turtle. Let's go to the bathroom. Now let's wash our hands, because we don't want to give people corona. Should I change the walls in here?
Wait, there you go.
No, I don't like that. That's not a good bathroom feel. Just want a good bathroom feel. Ooh, I could get good flooring with it. Ooh, that looks nice. I think we'll go with that. Ooh, that's nice. Cool. Now we have a nice looking bathroom. I like how if you open up a fridge, it goes, "Do you want to get changed?"
Yeah, I know.
I'm like, sure.
I would like food, but okay.
I'm like, I'm kind of hungry. I'm not in the mood for getting changed. I haven't had anyone visit my island, so I haven't needed to use my Corona mask. I've only used it a couple of times when, like, I go to other people's islands.
You still have the villagers.
Well, yeah, but they live here with me. Corona hasn't reached the island yet. Should I go talk to Godzilla? Hi, Godzilla. I mean, sorry, not Godzilla, because copyright laws. Hi, King of Beasts. King of Monsters. Mr. Kaiju. Dude, my house looks so cute. Olivia, do you want to see how cute my house looks? Oh. Maybe he's going. Want to see how cute my house is? Look at that. That's how it looks from the outside. I have a pool, a little bike, Godzilla. You can't go into the pool, and I've never been able to get onto the bike. I don't think you can. In my pool, you can't actually get into.
Come on.
And then you can go into my house. I just barely got some new stuff. So my couch is new. I haven't actually sat in it yet. Oh, look at how cute I look.
Yeah, come in.
Cool. I'll give her the tour. Olivia.
Okay.
Liv. Oh, she's not listening.
Yeah, I got it.
That's actually a pretty cute picture.
I can leave now. Okay, cool.
Vintage.
Okay, ready? So this is the outside. I got mine. I got a pool, a bike, a statue of Godzilla.
A ham.
Yeah, I'm thinking about moving the statue, but not right now. And then this is the hangout area. I got a couch, that's new.
I've never seen the table before.
Yeah, that's also kind of new. And then I got a bathroom. It doesn't have a toilet yet, so we're kind of just using this as a urinal.
What if Santa come out of that?
And then
Santa comes out of the urinal?
and then if we walk back here.
Do you have a basement?
I'm gonna back up.
I don't have a basement
I
yet.
sprayed perfume in my room.
And this is my room.
I told
What's on the walls?
Gimme.
Plaques.
Are those balloons?
Where?
Like the wallpaper.
No, those are clouds and airplanes.
Oh.
Whoa.
Punching.
My game won't give me my reward.
Wait,
Why is he wearing a flower?
This is cute.
Does he have scruff?
No.
Oh, okay. For the shadow, it looks like he had scruff on his face.
Anyway, yeah, so that's my house. I can't wait till I get a basement because gambling's illegal on Spudlands, but I'm gonna make a little gambling ring in my basement.
You're gonna break the law.
And will you go to jail in real life?
What, Aiden?
Yes, he'll go to jail.
Why do you have it illegally?
Because I think it's cute. Because then people would be like, oh, we're breaking the law, going down. And,
Dylan, Speds shouldn't gamble.
Sped should gamble. Because here in Spedlands, it's where a sped can be a sped. That's our island motto. Yeah, no, my island, or my little outfit's cute, so I'm gonna keep it. Good night. Now I'm gonna go get a cute vintage picture.
Why won't it let me?
Twas a dark and stormy night here on Spedlands. What? Do you want me to show you what your house looks like? No. Talking to Isaiah.
I know what.
There's the red. I haven't touched it since you last played. I haven't touched it since I upgraded it. So this is your house. Do you like it? Your wallpaper is the same as my bedrooms, except for blue. Then this is Olivia's house. It literally hasn't been touched.
Oh, there we go.
The carpet boy's here. Carpet boy, let me talk to you.
Sahara?
Yeah.
Who's a woman?
Well, I meant boy is the gender neutral boy, the BOI. Ooh, let's get a large rug. What kind of rugs do they give me? Are they cool? Hey Aiden, are there large rugs cool?
I don't know. It depends on which large rug you get.
I don't
It's
know,
all
they're random.
You know that?
Should I only get large rugs or should I get medium and small? Well, if
What if you and Aiden get married at the same lady?
that's not gonna happen.
Lady, why can't you carry me? What do you mean I have no place to put it? What is it? It's blood shards.
Should I give mysterious wallpaper or mysterious flooring? We'll go wallpaper. I'm spending 10 grand on random rugs.
Why?
I don't know. Because I think it's fun.
Okay.
Yes.
Bro, is Minecraft on the Switch?
Yeah, but it's not Java. It's Bedrock. Bedrock is gross. I'm enjoying giving all my money to you, Sahara. Isaiah, why'd you turn off the light? Why? I mean, it doesn't matter, I guess, right now, because the stream's gonna end soon, but... Do I not have enough tickets for Mysterious Flooring?
Why can you not carry anymore? I really hope that doesn't. That's gonna be so good.
Alright, and now I want Mysterious Flooring. Why is it 3,000 bells? Fine, let me buy one more large rug from you, or two more small ones. No, I'll do large, because I like rugs. Large. Oh wait, no, I already have that. Yeah, whatever.
Actually, for this, I'll go
How's this video already been 30 minutes long? Oh wait, no.
Good thing.
Withdraw. And then we're gonna go buy mysterious flooring from her. Epic. No. You can do your daily tomorrow. The simple thing about dailies is that they don't go away until you complete them. Serious flooring. It's time for bed once I turn this off, so... No, Mom will get mad. No, Mom will get mad. It's literally the exact same. Alright, let's see what we got. Ooh, that's cute. Can I sell Sahara tickets?
Mom in bed.
Ooh, the rug looks really cute. Let's see what a different rug looks like in the bathroom. Do I just have like 4 of the kiln rugs? Ooh, actually, this would be a cute rug to have. What? Please stop crying. It's really annoying. That would be cute to have. Over there. Look at that. I'm really glad I let you talk me into this game.
Me?
Yeah.
Welcome.
So now I'm addicted.
That's fine.
It's fine that I'm addicted.
Yeah. It's a good game to be addicted to,
Yeah.
if we're being honest here.
Out of all the games I could be addicted to.
Yeah. It's probably the best one. You can't buy anything with real money in it. Like, it's not like toxic or anything. It's calming.
Yeah.
It's gentle.
Alright guys, this is Anna from Anna Gaming, and I think we're gonna end the recording here. I will see you guys later, and I hope you have a good time. Peace.